Hey, all you people. Today I'm going to be playing Garden of Banban, not Banban from Five Nights at Freddy's like I originally thought. Uh, I might be saying that a lot in this video. Just bear with me. Um, but from what I've heard, this game is kind of like Poppy Playtime, which, judging from the thumbnail, I can kind of gather that. Um, but I hope you enjoy. Um, I'll hop right in. Let's get spooky. Yeah, definitely getting Poppy Playtime vibes. With all its cartoony kind of looks, aimed at kids. All right. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Aye. Oh. A little smudge on you there. Oh. Child's gone. Not getting him back. Boots! Guessing this one is Banban. It's got the most party hats. Birthday Banban. Hello? E? There we go. I got a chip. Jumbo Me says, "Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me." Creativity area? Big red button must push. Alright. Guessing blue goes in there. Button and drone. 2 batteries. It's never that easy. Can't just pick up the remote and just have it work. 1 battery. Stinger Flynn says, "Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people." So you could strangle 6 people at once. 2 battery. Alright, that was quite the endeavor. Oh, Jesus. Hi. Bye. Left mouse button to use your toy. Teleport the toy to the nearest room. Oh, I had teleported him. I don't know my left from right. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. You push button. No, he's confused. Oh my god. You just go faster? Please? Button? Okay, what'd that do? You go this one. Huzzah! What the f- I don't like that. Get over here. I don't like him staring at me. Those eyes. Go get him. Get him. Get him. No, him. Get him. Fuck. I'm getting really hot already. That's creepy. Ah, his soulless eyes staring into my very being. See if there's anything else to do. Nope. Alright. Guess that's it. Hi, buddy. Screw you. That's glass. Okay. What you doing? I'm gonna explore this room first. The end is here. I'm about to sneeze. Ugh, okay. Okay, open. The naughty corner. I don't like him. I don't like him. Can I... It's not red like the other ones, so I'm... Oh, I don't want to have him... I need a yellow card. Okay. Can I open any of these drawers? Nuh-uh. Okay. Nope. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa, Jesus. I am breaking everything. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay. I'm not gonna trust you. There's an Easter egg hunt. I am the Easter egg hunt champion. What was it, 6? Okay, I got 1. Got 2. Come on. Three. Oh. What did that do? Oh. Go get it. Go get it, my minion. Okay, what'd that do? I should have paid more attention. Ooh, egg. Is that 4? They're all in this room, right? 5. Oh, I see the 6th one. It's right there. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You freak of nature. I don't like the sound. 3. Oh, you hungry boy. I don't want it. I don't want it anymore. You can keep the reward. Oh, it's slimy. Oh, that's gross. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. Hope you're happy with your eggs. Shouldn't lose them in the first place. He's gonna start running at me. He's gonna start bolting down the hall. Can I? Do I need a... Do I really need to guide him around? Oh, no I don't. Okay. drone was stronger than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna keep checking on him. Don't trust that. Distraction at 1? What? Hammer? Can I beat him to death? Distraction at 1. Okay, there wasn't a key card in there, was there? No. Distraction at 1. What is... Oh, I can use the hammer for the planks. There's so many different rooms, though. I haven't seen any other key card. Beat you over the head. Yeah, do I have an inventory? No, I don't. You're lucky. I'm not trusting my back to you. Okay, close it. No? Oh. Yeah, I gathered that. Okay. Can I crouch? No. Why are there... What? Oh, that's where he came from. The abyss. Oh. Neat. Oh, my heart is racing. Okay. Okay. What was my color? I don't remember. Orange, pink, red. I don't remember. Green, blue. And I could probably gather what the last one is. Is there a monster down there? I want to I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone else left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. What? That bird? That bird. You were green. Josh was green. I'm green. Green. You were red. You stay red. I don't remember you. You were pink. You... Guessing you were blue. I don't remember seeing you. I'm guessing you're blue. You were orange. And... You yellow? Okay, so whatever the last one was. Key card? Alright. What's this? Oh! Whoa! Oh god! Okay? What about that? Oh! Go for it, please, 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 please. I'm hitting the wrong button. Okay, you stay right there. You stay right there. I'll jump. I'll do it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I wasn't scared. You were scared. He's gonna climb right back up. What? Did he plant his feet in the wall and then his beak? He just rinse and repeat until he gets to the top? If I wait for him. Okay. Fun, 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 fun. Hey you. Go down and check. You heard me. Go down and check. Ah, see, he's the scared one. I hear your metal trembling in fear. Okay. Well, we dealt with him. Now we got, what, 6 others? Easy. Oh, you were white. Got it. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Banbalina. Captain Fiddle says, Oonga boonga, ooga boonga. No, ooga booga, booga ooga. Didn't get pink yet. I got red. So where's the next monstrosity? Boarding pass. Uthman Adam. Montreal. From Montreal to Madrid. Okay. Looking for secrets. I have concluded that there was no secrets behind the box. Oh, hello. Oh, but come on. Okay. That turn on the TV? No? What'd you do? Oh. Did that turn on the TV? Oh. Let me in. Let me in! Okay. Now there is a gaping hole in the ground. What about that? Oh. Elevator. Elevator. Ooh. I don't want to go in just yet. There's another door here. I didn't get a key card for this. Where would a key card be? Pink? Pink key card? I don't know where the pink key card would be. Key card? I see no key card. Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. Okay. I still don't have an inventory. Oh, okay. For you. This was not here before. I think I'd remember this. Why was that for me? Okay. Give keycard. Pink keycard, give me. Alright, now that I know stuff around here changes, there's gotta be a pink keycard somewhere. Keycard? Keycard? Keycard. Kickard. Kickard. Do you have a kickard? Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. That kid have a keycard? Where the hell is this? T? T? What does T mean? R. Pressing R does nothing. TR. I'll keep killing myself. U. TRU. Trust me. I'm gonna keep doing this until I get a word or sentence or paragraph or a book. T. Trut? I didn't start over, did it? Truts? Unless it's random. TRUTS. What? I have no idea what that spells. What that can spell. Anyways, I had to look up. There is a secret egg that gives me the pink key card. Oh god. I hate that. Be right there. Come on. There he is. Alright. Now I need to go back. Oh, birdie. What's your name? Opila. Gimme, 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 gimme. Binky Gert. Boink. And there we go. We're in. Okay. Well. There's a note. Boarding pass from Montreal to Madrid. So the same flight. I'm gonna scan that QR code. It just searches. It really hurts. Okay. That was the one I don't flip. Okay. Here, wait. You clean, pink, blue, orange, orangey. Hi. What if I hop on with him? H is new. Haven't seen H before. Now we know. Is he gonna be like M also? Is he gonna trust me? Trust him? Oh, I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Okay, I touched you, I guess. I don't like that noise. Okay. What does this one say? Euphoric Brothers? You've made it to the Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned to mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you may stay as long as you like. Put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. Cool. Neat. Okay. Down we go. Oh, is the bird gonna be down here? Because it looks like I'm going into the abyss. Oh. I don't think I've rested. No, thank you. Oh, it's me! It's me! It's Big Boy Josh! Whatever your name was. Oh, okay. All right. There was definitely one really good scare. Um, I mean, it brought up the atmosphere quite a bit with its creepiness. Like when the bird was looking around the corner. That was very unsettling. Um, and then when he was slowly approaching you on that walkway, that was pretty scary. But other than that, not much off of the first chapter. Um, can't wait for the second one. Hopefully they have more action, more scares. But other than that, I say it was pretty good. I can't wait to see where it goes next. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I can't wait to see you in the next one. If you somehow managed to stumble across this video and you really liked it, give it a thumbs up and show that. But other than that, I hope you have a really nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.